In this section, we'll be talking about Kysor-style fan clutches. We'll start by looking at the different variations of these fan clutches, and then we'll discuss the common causes of failure and how Kitmasters fixes these. All Kysor-style fan clutches are spring-engaged, but unlike the Horton-style fan clutches, where the pulley and clutching mechanism are one integral piece, these systems are always a two-piece design. The first piece is the hub, and consists of the pulley and the bracket. The second piece is the fan clutch itself. Once the two pieces are bolted together, you have the completed fan clutch assembly. Each of the two pieces in the assembly will have their own unique part number. Historically, the part number for the hub will begin with 1077, and the part number for the clutch will begin with 1090. The part number for the complete assembly will begin with 1093. In the Kitmasters Cross-Reference Guide, online, or in the catalog, you can use these part numbers to find the appropriate Kitmasters kit, remanufactured fan clutch, hub, or assembly. All Kysor-style fan clutches use a conical or wedge-shaped friction material, which helps to reduce slipping on engagement. Although Kysor-style fan clutches are all spring-engaged and are always two pieces, there have been various improvements to the design of the fan clutch itself over the years, and therefore there have also been changes in the part numbers. Here, we will present a history of the progression of the fan clutch and their part numbers and the technical changes. Understanding the changes will help you identify the proper remanufactured fan clutch or rebuild kit that you will need to use. As we go through the part numbers, you will notice that they are all indexed with a series number like K22 or K30. For this reason, these fan clutches are also referred to as K-series fan clutches. The first of the K-series fan clutches was part number 1090-08000-01. This is considered a K22 fan clutch. There were several versions of the Kysor fan clutch prior to this. However, they were smaller, less durable, and quickly replaced by the K22. The 1090-08000-01 is a front air fan clutch. This means that the air is supplied to the fan clutch through an air line that routes between the fan blade and the radiator and enters a port located at the front of the fan clutch. This fan clutch can be replaced with Kitmasters 8001X. The 1090-08000-05 is nearly identical to the 1090-08000-01, but has been specifically designed for Mac applications, since Mac bolts this fan clutch directly to the water pump. The only difference between the 1090-08000-01 and the 1090-08000-05 is the rear mounting pilot. The rear mounting pilot on a 1090-08000-01 is 2 inches, while the 1090-08000-05 is 2.56 inches. This fan clutch can be replaced by our 8005X. There are also 3 rebuild kits for the 1090-08000-01 and 1090-08000-05. The seal kit, 8000 SK. The lining kit, 8500L. Seal and lining combination kit, 8000 SKL. By the early 1980s, the Kysor-style fan clutch was gaining popularity, but customers were complaining that the air line routing into the front of the fan clutch was burdensome, and because the air line would have tension on every engagement, it was a primary cause of failure. In 1985, the K22 fan clutch was re-engineered so the air line would route to the rear of the pulley instead of the front of the fan clutch. With this change, the air moves through a shaft in the pulley and is transferred to the fan clutch shaft at the rear of the fan clutch, hence the name change from front air to rear air. The part number for this fan clutch was 1090-08500-01 and can be replaced with Kitmasters part number 8801X. While the 1090-08500-01 was successful for over a decade, by the early 2000s, fan blades were getting larger and the new fans were requiring more torque from the fan clutch. Borg-Warner addressed this by changing the angle of their wedge-shaped lining. A steeper angle created more force and therefore more torque to engage the fan blade. The resulting part number was 1090-09500-01. This fan clutch can be replaced by Kitmaster's part number 8801X. You will notice this is the same as the replacement for the 1090-08500-01. Since the change in the friction material is an upgrade and all the external dimensions are the same, Kitmasters automatically upgrades you to the newest design. Just like the friction material of the rear air Kysors was upgraded to create more torque to drive larger fans, the front air Kysor-style fan clutches were upgraded as well. The 1090-08000-01 was upgraded to the 1090-09000-01. Once again, this fan clutch can be replaced with the 8001X. This was the final version of front air Kysor-style fan clutches. They are no longer offered on new vehicles, but replacement units are still available from Kitmasters. So let's look back at all of the front air fan clutches. The 1090-07050-01, 1090-08000-01, and 1090-09000-01 can all be replaced by Kitmaster's part number 8001X, while the 1090-08000-05 and 1090-09000-05, which is the upgraded version of the Mac-only fan clutch, can be replaced by Kitmaster's part number 8005X. Now back to the rear air fan clutches. The third version of the rear air Kysor-style fan clutch is the 1090-09600-01. The difference between the 1090-09600-01 and the 1090-09500-01 is a slight shortening of the nose. The length of the nose on the 1090-09500-01 is 2 inches, while the air chamber on the 1090-09600-01 is only 1.5 inches. Once again, this fan clutch can be replaced by Kitmaster's part number 8801X. The current version of the rear air Kysor-style fan clutch is the 1090-09650-01. This fan clutch is identical to the 1090-09600-01 with the exception of the friction material. The friction material formula was changed to create a superior lining. As with previous versions, and since Kitmasters is constantly improving its products, this fan clutch may also be replaced by Kitmaster's part number 8801X. In an effort to decrease weight, Borg-Warner produced some fan clutches with the outer shell being made of aluminum instead of steel. While this achieved the desired goal, it brought forth a new problem: premature failure. In the next section, we will discuss this problem and show you how Kitmasters solved it, but for now, we'll just stick to identifying these fan clutches. Besides the aluminum outer housing, another distinguishing trait of the 1090-09900-01 is that it has a 5-inch fan pilot instead of the standard 2.56 inches. These two features should make identifying this fan clutch a breeze. The 1090-09900-01 was replaced by the 1090-09950-01. They are identical, with the exception of the friction material formula, and they both suffer from premature wear. They can both be replaced with Kitmaster's part number 8805X. Let's review the Kysor-style rear air fan clutches and their replacements. 1090-08500-01, 1090-09500-01, 1090-09600-01 and 1090-09650-01 can all be replaced with our one part number 8801X. 1090-09900-01 and 1090-09950-01 can both be replaced by our part 8805X. Now that we've learned how to identify the different versions of the Kysor-style fan clutch, we will take a look at the common causes of failure and show you how KitMasters solves each of these problems. There is a single primary cause of failure in all rear air Kysor-style fan clutches. The primary cause of failure in this series is an air leak at the point where the air is transferred from the pulley shaft to the fan clutch shaft. This type of fan clutch is a two-piece design consisting of a bracket and pulley or hub as one piece and the fan clutch as the other piece. These two pieces bolted together create the fan clutch assembly. As the air is transferred through the pulley shaft into the shaft of the fan clutch, it is sealed by an O-ring on the rear air shaft. It takes 90 psi to keep the spring compressed and to keep the fan clutch properly disengaged. If any air is permitted to move by this O-ring and the air pressure drops below 90 psi, then the fan clutch will not have enough air pressure to remain properly disengaged. It will aggressively slip and lead to near immediate failure. When all the fan clutch and pulley components are exactly within tolerance, the O-ring will perform and last as designed. When one of the components becomes out of tolerance, most commonly the pulley bearings, it creates a small vibration within the fan clutch, which is absorbed by the rear air shaft O-ring. The vibration leads to rapid O-ring wear, which leads to an air leak, which leads to near immediate failure. Take a look at these examples of damage caused by failed pulley bearings. That is the primary cause of failure in K-series fan clutches, an air leak caused by the degradation of the O-ring on the rear shaft. To solve this common cause of failure, KitMasters has increased the length of the rear air shaft and added a second O-ring. The redesigned rear air shaft is beneficial for a few reasons. First, the increased length of the shaft improves stability at the connection point, which reduces the amount of vibration that has to be handled. Second, the additional O-ring is made of urethane, which is specifically designed to seal in an environment that incurs motion. Third, the primary seal material is upgraded from NBR to Viton. While NBR is a very common and good sealing material, Viton is specifically designed to perform in high heat applications. Viton is rated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, while NBR is only rated at 250 degrees. With the high underhood temperatures that heavy-duty vehicles are faced with, Viton is a better choice. The addition of the urethane O-ring and changing to Viton for the primary O-ring has solved the issue of premature fan clutch failure due to air leaks at the rear air shaft. In a recent attempt to make a lighter version of the Kysor-style fan clutch, the fan clutch housing material was changed from steel to aluminum. You might remember from the previous section that this was part number 1090-09900-01. This change in material caused an unintended negative consequence and a new common cause of failure. In the previous steel design, when the fan clutch engages and the floating wedge-shaped friction material contacts the steel inner and outer housings, there is an energy created by the friction contacting the inner housing. The energy is transferred to the friction material, where it is absorbed by the slow wearing of the friction material. The friction material is the proper and intended wear point. In the aluminum design, when the fan clutch engages and energy is created between the friction and inner housing, the energy is transferred through the friction and is absorbed by the inside of the outer housing, causing significant wear to the aluminum material. This wear causes an out-of-tolerance situation, which leads to rapid wear and fan clutch failure. Wear in the fan clutch body also means that the fan clutch is no longer suitable to be rebuilt with a kit, as the degraded housing will just cause the new friction to wear prematurely also. Kitmasters solves this problem by changing from a floating wedge-shaped friction material to a bonded wedge-shaped friction material. The bonded friction material creates a barrier between the friction and the outer housing, which changes the flow of energy transfer, so all the energy is transferred into the friction material and all the wear happens at the friction material and not at the housing. The friction is the proper and intended wear point. Because we are creating a barrier between the friction and worn housing, the wear in the housing caused by the previous design is irrelevant, and these fan clutches may again be repaired with a kit. Kitmasters offers 3 solutions for K-Series aluminum fan clutches. An aluminum remanufactured fan clutch, part number 8805X. A seal and lining rebuild kit with bonded friction material, part number 8800 SKBL. A lining-only kit with bonded friction material, part number 8800BL.